Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Marvel Rivals on the PlayStation 5. So all you have to do is power on your console and access the homepage. And then from the homepage, find the PlayStation Store. So you can use the left analog stick and flick it left or right and find the PlayStation Store. Then press the X button on your controller to access the PlayStation Store. Now from here, navigate to the search icon that appears on the top right corner of the screen, and then select it, and then select the search bar and type Marvel Rivals. So type Marvel Rivals. Now as you type, you'll see suggested games at the bottom. So since you're looking for Marvel Rivals, you can see it appear there at the first result. So simply select it. And then from here, you'll see the page of Marvel Rivals. You can see details about this game and everything. So since you want to download the game, simply select download, and then give it a few seconds, and then now you should see Marvel Rivals added to the downloads. So you can access the downloads by pressing the PS button on your controller, and then select go to downloads. And now you can see Marvel Rivals downloading on your PlayStation 5. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.